Hi. Unblock your block tube with natural herbs. Unblock your block tubes with natural herbs. Yeah, we want to talk about blocked tube. Blocked tube is blocked fallopian tube. When in women, we have left and we have right fallopian tube, and we have left and we have right ovary. So when any of the ovaries are blocked, that is what is called a blocked tube. But how do you know that they are blocked? If you go for HSG and then you are found to have blocked tube, looking at the X-ray, if there is no peritoneal spill to the left, peritoneal spill to the right, that means the tubes are blocked. One can be blocked while the other one is partially blocked, and then that is what we call blocked tube. And when it is blocked, because menses is manufactured in the ovaries, follicles are produced in the ovaries, and when they are produced and they mature, the egg will drop and then pass through the fallopian tube. On the way through the fallopian tube, if there is no way to the womb, that is there can be an obstruction leading to ectopic pregnancy. But what we are talking about is blocked tube. In a case of blocked tube, the egg doesn't even pass at all. It doesn't even get to the womb because the left and right are blocked. We have handled a lot of cases of blocked tube within Nigeria. We have handled a lot of blocked tube within Africa. We've handled a lot of blocked tube in diaspora. We handled it in cases of women who are above the age of 45, 48, and they had their children comfortably. They became pregnant and had children. We handled it in a lot of women by giving them these natural herbs. When you have blocked tube and you go for checkup, when you're having a problem of infertility and you are told to go for HSG, and you go and find out that your tubes are not patent, then I think natural herb is very good. It's one of the easiest way of unblocking the tubes. What do? We give you natural herbs to detoxify the system. When we detoxify the system, we give you herbs to dilate the muscles of the fallopian tubes, to shrink the inflammation, to remove the pus cells and blockages, to shrink and bring back to normal range the salpingitis, the degeneration, the deterioration of the tubes, and then make the tube free, so that when egg is manufactured from the ovary, it can easily pass to meet the spermatozoa in the womb, where pregnancy can take place, where conception can take place. So the natural herbs are really very, very good. I've handled it on lots and lots of women and they got results. The worst part of it takes 7 to 8 weeks, some by 4 weeks, some by 3 weeks. The tubes are open. It's not trial lock. What do we use? We use natural herbs, and these natural herbs are not far from what we have here. We have a lot of herbs. We have the croton. Croton is very good, but you need to have this license to practice with it. It needs other herbs, the Nigerian seed. You need to have license to practice with it. You need, this is what I'm talking about. You need to have license to practice with it. You need other herbs like the Piper Guinness, the Negro pepper. You need them for the production. You also need herbs like Naucula lactifolia. Those ones are not here. We'll still bring them around. We use Naucula lactifolia in some cases. We use Alstonia bonae. In some other cases, we use aloe vera, aloe barbadensis. But to go direct to block tube, we use the croton. We use the Nigerian seed. It works very, very well, and we have a lot of results with it. Women no longer go for surgery to unblock the blocked tube. They no longer go for flushing to unblock the blocked tube. we use the natural herbs to detoxify the system, to clean the system, and treat the woman of infection and treat the husband of infections. And then the womb will be balanced and cool, and then will be firm, the muscles will be clean, and then we will be able to transport the eggs when they are produced from the ovary, through the ovary, along the fallopian tube to the womb, so that pregnancy can exist. Trust nature. God said, ask and it shall be given, knock and it shall be open. So if you look for natural herbs, for natural treatments, you will get them in the right source. Have a beautiful day. My name is Dr. Ifeyinwa Ezeike of number 18 Chibuzo Close, Mebamu, Okoko, by Church Bus Stop or Mechanic Bus Stop, Lagos, Nigeria, West Africa. There is no woman that these natural herbs has not worked for in cases of blocked tube. Take my word. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.